my name is Dr. Gina Asaf, and welcome to Tustin Dental Group. We are a private practice located in the city of Tustin, proudly serving our communities around us. We are a general and cosmetic practice, but we offer IV sedation, Botox, veneers, extractions, and implants. We also have in-house specialists to serve every need that you may have. We can't wait to meet you. Let's talk Invisalign. Invisalign is one of the latest techniques we use here. Instead of the traditional braces, you can walk around with clear retainers. Each tray is made and molded to your mouth. You wear them for 2 weeks at a time, and during that time, your teeth are shifting into place. At the end of your treatment, you'll have a retainer made and a brand new smile.